If you're tired of watching YouTube videos like this, and you would just like to turn on dark mode and have a nice viewing experience, I'm gonna help you with that. And I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode in both desktop and mobile. So first, let's jump over to desktop. Okay, so hold on. Here we are looking at our very bright YouTube screen, and to get this to dark mode, we simply come up here to the top right, click on your profile image, and you'll notice here, about 6 menu options down, we have Appearance. Click on that, and you can use Device Theme if your overall device that you're viewing on just has like a global dark mode set, which is actually what I use, or you can just click on Dark Theme and let your eyeballs soak in the beautiful darkness. That was easy, wasn't it? It's just about as easy on mobile, so let's jump over and take a look there. Okay, and here we are in mobile. We're also going to simply tap on our profile picture in the top right. And this time we're going to scroll down to Settings, General, and here you can see right here, third option from the top, we have Dark Theme. Turn that on, and now you have dark mode enabled on mobile as well. All I ask from you in return for my help today is a subscription to the channel, especially if you enjoy content like this and are going to be looking for more of it in the future. Thank you all. Have a great day.